Hello guys, my friends and subscribers on YouTube. Now we're going to see how to use Microsoft Access for beginners. This is the lesson 1, where in this lesson we will be able to create table and its data entry. Okay, welcome. Let's start. Now, as you see, we are going to first open the Microsoft Access. We come on Start, All Programs, Microsoft Office, Microsoft Access. Then here, as you see, we are going to choose blank database. Then this we are going to call it school data. Let's call it student data. After call it student data, we want to save it from desktop in a folder which is called Amahoro Nursery. Okay, we choose the folder, then click open. After open, click OK. So now already all we do is should be saved in Amahoro, as you see, Amahoro folder. Then we click on create. On the first, you see they give us a table, so we have to first we are going to create a table. We should come here on view. We need to view design. Before going in design, you have to name a table and save it. The table is called student details. In order to help you, let us show you using this keyboard. So let's continue. Then we click OK. After clicking OK, now we have ID. The ID is auto number, which should count one by one as you are entering students in your data sheet. So for example, let's call it student details. It should be auto number, means that it will come incrementally from 1 up to infinite. So if we choose for example random, it will give you a random number without increment. So now we go to student name. Student name should be a text. After we have student birth date, in short. Thank you. So after, also it should this birth date, it should be a date and time, as you see. After we can say now a class. In a class you have to choose. Maybe you want you have 3 classes from P1 up to P3, where if you are entering a data, you should choose any class. You will come on lookup wizard, click on I will type the values that I want, click next, type those datas you want. I need P1, I need P2, and I need P3. Next, limit to the list, finish. So then now this is this is combo box, means that if you're going to enter data in a class, you have to choose among that 3 without adding other classes. So now let's go, click on save, then close. If we come on student detail table, we shall see all as we have seen. So we have student ID, student name, student birth date, and class. So now what you're going to do is to expand the row where the name should be. So after, now we can enter the data. For example, let us name the first one, let's call him Olivier. As we see here, it's a student ID where the number is coming automatically without writing it, but incrementally. So now let's come on birth date. For example, let's say that have born in 2018. Yes, we choose a date. So in a class, as you have seen, we have just kept the values or the data which you want to choose among for everyone. So by Olivier, let us choose, for example, P1. As you click on the tab, it will go to the next. The next one, the name is Jean Pierre. Jean-Pierre. The birth date, for example, is let's take this one, 14 October. Now a class, let's say that he is in P3. So now as you see, if we click on save, now already our data should be saved in student detail. Thank you for following me on this video. So look at the next, how to create the form where we have to enter data of Olivier using a form, using this data entry form. Okay, welcome. Follow part B. This is part A, so follow part B. Thank you so much. But don't forget to subscribe in order to follow all other videos we have for you as beginner. Thank you.